Step 1 in answering this problem requires me to calculate the total volume of the box. In order to calculate the volume of the box, first we need its dimensions. As you can see, the box is 31 centimetres long, 5 centimetres wide, and 5 centimetres tall. Using these dimensions and the volume of a prism formula, we can calculate that the volume of the aluminium foil box is 775 centimetres cubed. Step 2 of this problem requires me to calculate the volume of the cylindrical tube that is inside the aluminium foil box. This represents the filled space within the box. This is the most tricky step in calculating the capacity of the empty space inside the box. In order to calculate the volume of the cylindrical tube, I will first need to calculate the volume of the large cylinder and subtract the volume of the smaller inner cylinder. To find the volume of the large outer cylinder, I first found the dimensions of the cylinder and placed these dimensions into the volume of a cylinder formula. This gave me that the volume of the large outer cylinder was 422.5599 centimetres cubed. I repeated this process to find the volume of the smaller inner cylinder by first finding its dimensions and then substituting this information into the volume of a cylinder formula. This gave me that the volume of the small inner cylinder was 310.4521 centimetres cubed. Finally, we can find the volume of our cylindrical tube by subtracting the small inner cylinder from the large outer cylinder. By doing this, we get the volume of the cylindrical tube is 112.1077 centimetres cubed. Step 3. In order to calculate the volume of the empty space, we need to take the volume of the box that we found before and subtract the volume of the cylindrical tube that we found. We found earlier that the volume of the box was 775 centimetres cubed. We also found that the volume of the cylindrical tube was 112.1077 centimetres cubed. By subtracting these, we get the volume of the empty space is 662.89 centimetres cubed to 2 decimal places. Our very last step is to convert volume to capacity. We're almost there. Using the fact that 1 centimetre cubed is equal to 1 millilitre, we can convert the volume of the empty space within inside our box of 662.89 centimetres cubed to 662.89 millilitres. Rounding to the nearest millilitre gives us our final answer of 663 millilitres as the capacity of the empty space within inside an aluminium foil box.